What if I told you that healing in the Bible was not just spiritual, but also deeply practical? People did not just pray. They used real methods, real substances, real actions to support healing in their bodies. Today, most people think of the Bible as a spiritual guide. But hidden within its pages are powerful, practical ways people used to restore their health long before modern medicine existed. And what is fascinating is this: many of these methods are still available today. In some cases, modern science is finally catching up to what people understood thousands of years ago. So today, I am going to show you 12 biblical healing methods that you can still use in your daily life. Stay with me, because number 9 was once so valuable. It was given as a gift fit for a king. Let us begin. Honey, restoring strength and protecting the body. In the Bible, honey was seen as something that brings life back into the body. In 1 Samuel chapter 14, verse 27, it says that when Jonathan tasted honey, his eyes were brightened. That detail reveals something powerful. Honey was understood to restore energy and clarity. And in Proverbs chapter 16, verse 24, we read, "Gracious words are like honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the body." But honey was not just symbolic. It was used practically, especially for wounds and weakness. And today, science confirms this. Raw honey has strong antibacterial properties and is still used in modern medicine to support wound healing. Here is how you can use this today. Take 1 spoon of raw, unprocessed honey in the morning to support your immune system, or apply a thin layer to minor cuts, burns, or irritated skin to support natural healing. Simple, but incredibly effective. Olive oil, anointing, and physical healing. Olive oil appears throughout the Bible as a symbol of blessing, but also as a tool for healing. In James chapter 5, verse 14, it says, "Is anyone among you sick? Let them call the elders and anoint them with oil." And in Luke chapter 10, verse 34, the Good Samaritan treats wounds by pouring oil and wine on them. That is not symbolic. That is a real healing method. Today we know olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds and supports heart health. Here is how you can use this today. Use extra virgin olive oil daily in your meals to support your body from within. Or apply it to dry skin, cracked lips, or minor irritations to help restore and protect the skin. A simple habit with powerful effects. Wine, cleansing, and digestive support. Wine in the Bible wasn't just a drink, it was used with intention. In 1 Timothy 5:23, Paul writes, "Use a little wine because of your stomach and your frequent illnesses." In Luke 10:34, wine is used to clean wounds. This shows us something important. Wine was used both internally and externally. Today we know wine contains antioxidants that support circulation and digestion. Here is how you can use this today. In moderation, a small amount of red wine can support digestion and relaxation. Or you can choose alternatives, like grape juice, to benefit from similar compounds without alcohol. The key, just like in the Bible, is balance. Garlic, strengthening the body and fighting infection. In Numbers chapter 11, verse 5, the Israelites say, "We remember the garlic." That might seem like a small detail. It shows garlic was valued. For thousands of years, garlic has been used to protect the body from illness. Today, science confirms it. Garlic has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Here is how you can use garlic today. Eat 1 clove of raw garlic daily, or add it lightly cooked to your meals to support your immune system and overall health. Strong, but incredibly effective. Figs, external healing through application. In 2 Kings chapter 20, verse 7, we see a direct healing instruction. Prepare a poultice of figs, apply it to the boil, and he will recover. And he did. That was not symbolic. That was treatment. Figs were crushed and applied directly to the body. Here is how you can use this today. You can mash fresh figs and apply them gently to irritated or inflamed skin, or simply eat figs regularly to support digestion and overall health. A natural method, used even for a king. Hyssop cleansing and purification. Hyssop appears in purification rituals. In Psalm 51:7, it says, "Cleanse me with hyssop, and I will be clean." But hyssop also has real antimicrobial properties. It was used in physical cleansing practices. Here is how you can use this today. Drink hyssop tea for respiratory support, or use herbal steam inhalation to help clear the airways. A simple plant with powerful cleansing effects. Balm of Gilead, soothing and restoring. In Jeremiah chapter 8, verse 22, the text asks, "Is there no balm in Gilead?" This balm was known as a powerful healing substance. It was used for wounds, inflammation, and skin care. Here is how you can use this today. Use natural healing balms or salves made from plant-based oils and resins to soothe irritated skin and support recovery. Ancient wisdom still alive today. Pomegranate, protecting the heart. Pomegranates appear in sacred design in Exodus 28, and they were symbols of life and abundance. Today we understand why. They are rich in antioxidants that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Here's how you can use this today. Drink fresh pomegranate juice. Eat the seeds regularly. These practices support circulation and heart health. Frankincense, for reducing inflammation. Frankincense was given to Jesus in Matthew chapter 2, verse 11. A gift of great value, but it was not just symbolic. Frankincense contains compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. Here is how you can use this today. Use diluted frankincense oil on joints or muscles. Take it in supplement form to support inflammation and recovery. Myrrh protects against infection. In John chapter 19, verse 39, myrrh is used in burial preparations. It was also used for healing. Myrrh has strong antimicrobial properties. Here is how you can use this today. Use myrrh-based oral care products. Use diluted myrrh extracts for skin care to support protection against bacteria. Lentils, restoring strength through food. In Genesis 25, lentils appear in a well-known story. They were simple, but nourishing. Here is how you can use this today. Include lentils regularly in your meals to support energy, digestion, and overall strength. Sometimes healing is consistency. Milk and honey, restoring balance. In Exodus chapter 3, verse 8, the land is described as flowing with milk and honey, a symbol of nourishment and restoration. Here is how you can use this today. Combine milk and honey as a natural drink to support recovery, sleep, and energy. Now think about this. These weren't random ideas. These were real methods, used by real people over thousands of years. And only now, modern science is starting to understand why. So the real question is, what else have we forgotten? If this opened your eyes, make sure you subscribe, because we're bringing ancient wisdom back to life, one video at a time.